Welcome back to another show and tell video. Today we're looking at the Plumber folding multi-tool. I believe this is made by distributed by Birchwood Casey. And let's go ahead and take a look at it. If we flip it around, you can see the listing of various bits in here. They list a T10, which is a Torx bit, and then we go ahead with inch measurings of 5/32, 7/64, 3/32, 1/16. If we go to this side of the description, we have a universal choke tube wrench, a Phillips head number 2, a 6mm flathead, a T15 Torx bit, and a 2mm flathead. So basically you have two axles that are secured at the end with these kind of hex ends with a little bit of a dimple in the center, and then these all fold out. So we go ahead and you can either fold out one at a time. Well, you should probably fold them out one at a time, makes it a lot easier, but for display purposes, you can see how they're a little bit spring loaded. I can feel the tension pushing back me, and you can see the recesses for the springs in the frame. It's a pretty sturdy frame. And we'll take a look at the tools. Here's your universal choke tube wrench. And let's see here. Here's the T10 Torx bit. You can see the kind of the pointy edges of that, and then the various hex keys, different sizes. On this side, you can see the large Phillips head, as well as the large flathead, T15 Torx wrench there, a bit larger, and then the very small flathead there for smaller screws that need to be worked on. So you can see how they fold in, etc. The whole thing, on a magnet on it, steel frame there. Even the fastenings at the end on the axles are steel, and all the bits are steel as well, even the smallest ones. So we got pretty good magnetic response there, and on that one too as well. These are pretty sturdy. I've used this for various cleaning, maintenance, etc. And it's a pretty compact size, so it fits in your pocket, toolbox, pouch, however you want to bring it along with you. And a little bit of a dimple there. So, and it's like a drain hole, access hole, or you can run a lanyard through that right there as well. So again, we're just taking a quick look at the Plumber from Birchwood Casey folding multi-tool. Quick show and tell video. We have other show and tell videos on the channel. We also do unboxing videos. Take a step back, show and tell videos include vintage items as well as no-circ items. We also do curios for the curious, more artsy type objects. Focus on that, as well as a selection of book review, media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.